Hi guys, this is Anil BISHOYI and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, before I start today's discussion, it's a humble appeal to you. Whatever I discuss in this, there are certain things which I give verbally, certain information which I give verbally, which are very essential. You supposed to be knowing, which is I have not written that. So watch my videos from the starting point till the end point, so that you shouldn't miss out any valuable information at all, because you supposed to be staying ahead of the race, not behind the race. So watch every bit of second of the video by not fast forwarding it and watching it. And today's discussion we will discuss on science and tech. What is AIS system? State briefly how it works. What is AIS system? AIS is automatic identification system, is an automatic tracking system used in maritime world for the exchange of navigational information between AIS equipped terminals. With AIS, static and dynamic vessels information can be electronically exchanged between AIS receiving station on board a shore or satellite. As provided in information like AIS provide information like ship's identity, type, position, course and ship and speed. AIS is very important system, because you must be knowing about certain piracy is happening in the Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Aden is a very piracy prone area in which the most of the navies, including Indian Navy, is conducting the anti-piracy operations. And even United Nations has lauded Indian Navy for conducting this kind of anti-piracy operations. And this AIS system helps to identify which vessel is coming from which country and going to which country, how many crews are there, what is the nationality of that particular master as well as crews, and what type of cargo it is having. And this is very important. All merchant vessels as well as warships are having fitted this kind of a AIS system. It is very important from general studies perspective. You are supposed to be knowing it. Then what is gravitational lensing? Describe briefly about it. What is gravitational lensing? It's a one interesting thing. Gravitational lensing occurs when a huge amount of matter such as galaxy, cluster of galaxy or black hole creates a gravitational field that distorts and magnifies the light from the object behind it. It magnifies the light from the object behind it. Gravitational lenses act like natural cosmic telescope. It acts like natural cosmic telescope. Then massive the object, the stronger its gravitational field and greater the bending of light rays using refraction. This particular thing use the principle of reflection in optical refraction. This effect allows researchers to study galaxies far away. This helps, gravitational lensing helps to study the galaxies which are far away from Earth. And there is another thing relating to gravitational lensing. It is the gravitational lensing uses the principle of Einstein's theory of relativity. You are supposed to be knowing theory of relativity, and gravitational lensing is using that. Now moving to next question. Moving to next two important questions. What is Krishi Vigyan Kendra? Describe briefly about it. Very, very important. Krishi Vigyan Kendra you are supposed to be knowing for being a civil servant. Krishi Vigyan Kendra is an integral part of National Agriculture Research System. It's an integral part of National Agriculture Research System. Its basic role is to assess the location-specific technology module, and agriculture allied enterprises. Location-specific technology module for agriculture as well as agriculture-related enterprises. That includes cattle rearing and other beekeeping, other enterprises. KVK function as knowledge and resource center of agricultural technology for improving agricultural economy. It's a function to improve the agriculture related economy. All KVKs are 100% funded by Government of India. Very, very important. 100% funded by Government of India. And to your additional information is, the KVK, the first KVK was set up in India in 1974 in Puducherry. Remember, 1974 in Puducherry, the first KVK of India was established. Now moving to another important question. What is National Animal Disease Control Program? It is very, very important. National Animal Disease Control Program. National Animal Disease Control Program is a fully centrally funded scheme to vaccinate over 600 million cattle in the country in an effort to control two diseases, namely foot and mouth disease and brucellosis. NADCP, that is National Disease Control Program, National Animal Disease Control Program is fully centrally government funded scheme through which 600 million cattle are being treated for two diseases. That is, one is foot and mouth disease and second one is brucellosis. Then the objective is to control the livestock diseases by 2025 and eradicate them completely by 2030. The objective is to control the disease by 2025 and eradicate totally by 2030. So now moving to the next important science and tech questions. Now coming to the next two important questions. What is National Artificial Insemination Program? What is National Artificial Insemination Program? National Artificial Insemination Program is centrally funded program for artificial insemination in a female breed. It's a artificially means impregnating a female breed to get the better quality future cubs. It prevents the spread of certain diseases in which are genital in nature, thereby enhancing the efficiency of the future breeds. Government is promoting this program to boost farmer income. Promotion of animal husbandry will help farmers in their livelihood security. It is a process in which artificially inseminated so that the future breeds will not be having the genital related diseases and they will be better than the previous breed. And this is government is promoting this in order to help farmers boost their livelihood income. Remember, the Modi government has set the target of 2022 as doubling the farmer income. Then coming to the next very important question is, what is National Cancer Tissue Biobank? Describe briefly about it. National Cancer Tissue Biobank, a joint initiative. It's a joint initiative between Department of Science and Tech and IIT Madras. Very important. It's a joint initiative between which two? One is Department of Science and Tech and IIT Madras. Do not forget IIT Madras. The biobank collects cancer tissue samples from patients diagnosed with cancer. It collects the tissue samples from the cancer and diagnosed with cancer. The aim is to provide the researchers with high quality cancer tissues. It is basically its aim is to provide the researchers the cancer tissue cells and patient data in order to facilitate cancer research, so that our researchers can find better ways to deal with cancer, or even finding a new vaccine for the treatment of cancer. This is basically in order to help our means people with low income people, to help them to fight against cancer. Government's initiative is to help them, and I hope you like today's discussion, and if you liked our video, then do give me a thumbs up. It is very moral boosting, because if you do not like, then I will think that I am going in the wrong direction. And sir and ma'am, if you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Thank you very much.